Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong mid-March. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, yun lang po ha, yung dalawang yun lang na binabanggit ko ang kilala ko ha. So kung meron kayong mga nire-replyan dyan sa comment section, hindi ko sila kilala, so it's up to you. Okay. And yeah, pagdating naman sa ating mga items, meron tayong protection from evil eye. We have our ring. Okay, meron din tayo ng necklace. So, minimalist. O yung ating pendant dito sa ating evil eye necklace. This is unisex. Okay, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Ganyan lang siya, kasimple. Pero, yes. So, ang ating namang bracelet, isang adjustable, isang garterize. Ganito si garterize ha. Ganyan yung kanyang evil eye pendant. Okay, ito naman is merong 5 na kulay, di ba? Na color. So, may kanya-kanyang silang job sa pagpo-protect. Okay, and ito po yung merong initial, yung ating adjustable. Yes, available in red string. Okay, and syempre, pagdating sa love, meron tayo niyan. Okay, so ito siya. Hindi po siya adjustable. Yeah, I'm sorry, pero yes, this is 7 inches long. From kakabitan hanggang dito sa lock. Anything about love, kung anong meron sa'yo about love, yes, siya yung mag-fix. And yung ating granter necklace, pasensya na po ha sa aking voice, yes, it's not sabihin natin kagandahan, no? Yung ating granter necklace is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. Pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And yeah, si grantor yung taga-grant. Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest, taga-pagbigay ng mga surprises. Yeah, this is made to order po, ha, si grantor. Yes, and yung ating pang-cord cut. So, ito yung ating pang-cord cut. So, kung alam mo na yung cord cutting, available yan sa Fias Tarot. Pero kung hindi pa alam, just message na lang. Okay, for more info. Yes. Okay, so let's start the reading. Capricorn placements, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're fine. Capricorns. Okay, in general muna. What's for you in general? Kung anong makuha natin. Let's see. In general, for you, Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Anong meron? Oops. Messages. Let's see. Energies. King of Wands. New passion. New hobbies. Diba? New interest. What's with this King of Wands? The King of Cups. Somebody is into you. This is not love, pero I'm getting this energy na somebody is into you, pero hindi nila pinapakita. They're like hiding their true feelings. Hiding their true feelings. Who is this? Who is this King of Wands? Could be a fire sign or a water sign. Page of Cups. Okay, somebody's, sabihin natin younger. They have a crush on you. Pwedeng crush mo rin. Sabihin natin, some of them may chance na yung skin nila is like darker than yours, maybe tan, mga ganyan. They're giving you mixed signals. They like you. Maybe you like this person too. Diba? What else? Dito sa Page of Cups. This is like a new love interest. Somebody's into you. Interested sa'yo, siguro. Okay. Ano pang meron para malaman mo na siya to? Anong meron sa kanya, Capricorn? Page of Cups. Anong meron? The Queen of Swords. In reversed. They're nervous. Every time na nakikita mo siya. Some of you, itong taong to natakot sa'yo, natatakot sa'yo. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse, they're like afraid of, sabi nating, telling or expressing their emotions for you. Okay. Yeah, Justice in reverse. Hindi sila, parang ano eh. Hindi ko alam kung meron ditong somebody. I don't know, Capricorn, kung ikaw itong may somebody or someone or sila. Yeah. Kaya may takot rin ako connect. Okay. May takot in general. Takot mag-express. Maybe takot na ma-cut off. Takot na ma-reject, if ever. May madi-disapprove. I don't know what. What else for you, Capricorn? Capricorn. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. This is like work-related. What's with this? Okay, so merong something issue around workplace na pwedeng mariresolve. I'm seeing here plans na pwedeng, hindi ko alam kung ito ay, ang tawag dyan, company outing, ang tawag sa ganon. Yeah, may ganon ako nakikita rito. Okay. Opportunities. Some of you are under evaluation. The Page of Swords in reverse, ina-evaluate ka. So, there's this potential na pwedeng nakikita nila sa'yo. Okay. Meron lang mga naninira. Yeah. Meron ng issue na parang sabihin natin ipapatawag kayo sa meeting para mapag-usapan. Pwede kasing baliwala lang ito before, pero ngayon parang ipapatawag sa meeting. Sabihin natin yung mga nagsasabi ng issue kung ano man. And yeah, may meeting na mangyayari. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Mga sabihin natin para mabigyan ng kung anumang agaran na solusyon. Okay? So, may mga mapapag-usapan around workplace, meetings. Yeah. What else? What else for you, Capricorn? Two of Swords in reverse. Decision. Decision making. What's this? Ace of Wands in reverse. Something's causing a delay. Meron ditong takot na kumonek sa'yo. Pero I think they like you. Some of them, takot sila sa magiging hatol mo sa kanila. What's with this Ace of Wands in reverse? That's specific. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Takot sila sa magiging reaction mo, sa magiging sagot mo, whatsoever. They're like confused. They want to take action, pero hindi sila ganun ka sigurado sa gusto nilang gawin. They like you though. Yeah. There's this two energy, like two opportunities coming in. Pareho. So, kailangan mo pumili dito. May pagpili ako nakikita. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Parang babato na sa'yo lahat. So, ikaw na lang mamimili. Something like that. So, it's like, nakadepende sa'yo kung anong magiging decision mo. Nakadepende sa'yo kung anong magiging ka pagdating sa decision mo. So, mas maganda, dumesisyon ka ng maganda kung ano man to. Okay? You're the Seven of Pentacles. Meron ditong pareho dalawa na energy na paparating. Pwedeng ine-expect more, sabihin natin gustong gusto mo. Sabihin natin nakakita ka ng potential. At meron ding isa na pwedeng sabihin natin gusto mo rin, kaso nagkasabay. Magkakasabay to. Kung ano man to, I don't know. No? Oo, doon lang tayo sa pera, no? Sa mga pagkakakitaan, no? Oo. Wag na po sa love. Oh, yun ang naririnig ko sa iba sa inyo. Oo, the Eight of Cups. Two of Wands. Yeah. Options. Or sabihin natin, ang dami nyong pagdadalawang isipan, ang dami nyong pag-iisipan, pagdidesisyonan. So, magkokos ng delays, magkokos ng pendings. Okay? So, mas maganda kung ganyan nga ang mangyayari. Diba? Magandang dumesisyon ng mas okay. Mas tama. No? Some of you, kung meron kayong mga kailangan pirmahan, ganito, ganyan. Hindi ko alam, kailangan nyo munang basahin, aralin kung anong pipirmahan nyo. Lalo na kung patungkol sa pera. Okay? So, there. May nakukuha rin akong energy about tawag dyan, delay schedule or reschedule. Delays pagdating sa travel, I think. Yeah. Naririnig ako turbulence. I don't know. Ano yun? Oh my. Okay. So, what else? So, sa love naman, for you Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. In love. Okay. For you, Capricorn. Energy in love. Anong meron? Ace of Pentacles. Pipilit talaga natin, no? Love to, ha? Okay? Pero lumabas Ace of Pentacles. Ay, talagang mahal na mahal mo. No? Oo, mas gustong gusto mo ang pera. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Ace of Pentacles? There's this new beginning coming in. Some of you. A new beginning or maybe another chance. Okay. Yeah. Oo. So, something na pwedeng hindi naging okay before. There's this issue. So, na pwedeng nangyari. And something like pwedeng may masasettle. Settle down. No? The Five of Cups, the Five of Swords. Lalo na po, no, kung meron ditong mga usaping legal, no? So, meron ako nakikita ritong pagkakaayos. Kung ano man yan, I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, somebody is, sabihin natin, thinking of you. Thinking of you. Maybe this is a past person. What else for you, Capricorn? Ano pang meron? Anong meron? Tingnan natin. Page of Wands. Somebody's interested. Are you interested? Nakakuha ko someone younger. What's with that Page of Wands in reverse? The Nine of Wands. They're vulnerable, I think. They're just shy. Wallflower. May narinig ako, wallflower. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. Anong meron dito? Yeah, pinapakita dito na open sila sa'yo. They like you. They just want to get your attention. Pero I don't know kung gumagawa ng way ito. So, ano bang meron nung kailangan malaman ng mga Capricorn dito? The Three of Wands. Some of them, nag-expect ng something pa. No? So, may chance na pwedeng umasa na magkikita muli kayo nitong taong to. Sino man siya. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Maybe sa isang occasion. So, kung sino man ito na may gusto sa'yo, pwede magkikita pa rin kayo. Somewhere out there. Somewhere out there. Somewhere. Oo. Kung anumang panahon, di ko malaman. Yeah. Okay. Nag-expect sa'yo itong taong to na maybe makita kang muli nga. Yeah, the Devil, pwedeng Capricorn like you. They're obsessingly thinking of you. They like you. Some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. I have to whisper it kasi baka alam mo na. See, the Ace of Cups, they like you. Alam mo yun, like, they're shy. They're too shy to express their feelings for you. Yeah, laksan-laksan nyo lang po yung volume kasi I have to whisper. I don't know why. Maybe itong taong to, no? Itong taong to, they're like sharing this sa ibang tao. Okay? Sa'yo lang hindi. May chance na ganun. Ay, naku, buhay. So, ano pa? For Capricorns, okay. So, I mean, page, diba? You have two pages here. Page of Pentacles, Universe, and the Ten of Cups. Some of you, itong taong to, sabihin nating, hindi sila marunong mag-approach. Yeah. Pwedeng magkakasama muli kayo ng taong to sa isang occasion, maybe. Get together, like that. And, pwedeng something like, ina-expect niya talaga na makita ka niya dun. Ulit. Like that. Gusto nila na present ka dun. Hindi ko alam kung ano that's specific. So, what else for you, Capricorn? In love. The Nine of Swords. Somebody is thinking of you day and night. Wala nang magandang tulog tong taong to, kung sino man to. Why the Nine of Swords? The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Death. So, may chance na may nangyaring separation sa inyo ng taong to. Kung sino man yung nakaseparate mo, they're thinking of you a lot. Day and night. Okay? Hindi na makakuha na magandang tulog tong taong to. Four of Pentacles. And the Five of Cups. They're sad. They're regretting something. They're like disappointed. Alam ng taong to, value mo. Yeah, see? The Empress. The Queen of Pentacles. Ito specific. Kung ikaw ay isang Capricorn na may anak, at alam mong meron ka naka-separate, they're thinking of you a lot. They are. That's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Nilet go mo to, taong to. Nilet go mo siya. Now they're regretting. Kung ano man, they're regretting something sa past. Yes. Okay. So, yeah. Tayo ay tumungo na sa person on your mind. Capricorn. Okay. Hang on. Let's see the person on Capricorn's mind. Who is this? Who is this Capricorn? The person on your mind. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Capricorn. The person you're thinking of. The person on your mind. Who is this? Anong energy niya? Okay. The Seven of Wands in reversed. Pwedeng in-unblock mo or in-unblock ka recently. Maybe. What's with the Seven of Wands in reverse? No tension. May narinig ako. No tension. No block. Or maybe ayaw nila ng block. Ayaw nila ng limit. Or vice versa. What's with that Seven of Wands in reverse? The Chariot in reversed. Could be a fire or Cancer yan. Hang on. Tayo magkape ng kaunti yan. Pasensya na sa aking boses ha. Kasi medyo nawawala-wala siya ng kauntian. Oo. The Ace of Cups in reversed. The Ace of Cups. Itong taong to, sabihin nating parang walang direction sa buhay sa ngayon. Or kung yun nga, nakakonect mo, tingin mo sa kanya parang walang direction sa buhay. Like, hindi siya nag-iisip. Like, walang plano whatsoever. Like, hindi siya diba? Parang ganun. May nasayang dito. Or sinayang ka. Like that. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. The Six of Wands in reversed. They love your attention. They're like, sabihin natin, walang nangyayari sa sitwasyon ninyo nitong taong to, pero nandoon yung jealous. No commitments at all. Open kayo sa isa't isa, pero wala akong nakukuhang energy about leveling up. Okay, kung anong meron, some of you, wala kayong label nito, pero open kayo sa isa't isa. Inconsistent. Somebody who's na pwedeng younger. Yeah, yun ang mga nakikita kong energy sa kanya. Nagseselos. Sa sabihin natin wala namang magandang dahilan. They're mature. They're mature. But yeah, they like you. They want you. Ano kailangan mo malaman sa sitwasyon, Capricorn? Page of Swords. Somebody's stalking you. So, there's this stalking energy. Pagdating sa situation, I don't know kung kayo ay magka-connect sa ngayon. Kung hindi, pwedeng ini-stalk ka. The Six of Pentacles. Lahat na lang sinita ng taong to, sa totoo lang, may nakukuha akong ganun. Wag na daw itong masyadong pagtuunang pansin, sabi. Yun ang kailangan mo malaman sa sitwasyon. Ito raw ang parang energy na hindi mo kailangan pagtuunang pansin. So, wag ka na makinig. Oo. Diba? So, kung gusto makinig pa nito, well, go. Sinasabi dito, wag mo na ng pagtuunang pansin to. Wala namang kaimportansyahan eh. Parang ganyan. Tingnan natin anong emosyon niya for you. The King of Swords. And the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, they like you. Death in reverse. The Emperor. Yan ang gagawin dito kung hindi naman siya nagsasabi ng sabihin nating dapat, anong mga tama. Itong taong to, alam niya na dapat niyang gawin, dapat niyang sabihin yung mga dapat gawin at sabihin. Pero hindi nila ginagawa. I don't know why. I don't know why. Genuinely, they like you. Genuinely. Anong problema nito, Capricorn? Gusto ka. Hindi ka lang niya mabigyan ng label. Anong dahilan? What's the blockage? What's the blockage here? Capricorn, what's the blockage? Judgment in reversed. The cycle. Ayaw niya ma-judge siya, whether ma-judge mo or ma-judge ng ibang tao. Something like that. Strength. Takot itong merong sabihin nating gawin na parang kakaiba pagdating sa kanya. I don't know, like expressing their emotion, giving you label. Yun ang parang block dito. Hindi niya alam kung paano, or maybe hindi siya sanay ng ganun. So siguro itong taong to is like, yeah, sanay siya makipag-connect, pero walang label. And sa'yo, ngayon nakikita niya na ikaw yung gusto niya, pero they don't know how to express. They don't know kung paano sisimulan. It's like new pagdating sa kanya eh. New. Itong bagay na to. Expressing. Yeah, they're too cold. Undetached. Silent. So, kung may breakup na nangyari, they still like you. Pero, yun nga, kung i-express nila yung emotion nila for you, takot silang ma-judge. That is why. So, puro stock na lamang ang nagagawa nitong taong to. So, what is their next action towards you? Okay, may nag-flip. The Emperor. Pagmamatigas to. Ha? Pagmamatigas. Ikaw ang gagawa ng way. Like that. Naku, asa ka sa mga Capricorn, mga cross-watcher dyan. Ay, naku, asa kayo. Walang mangyayaring ganon. Oo, napaka-grounded ng mga Capricorn. Lalo na kung gumawa ito ng decision na. Yun na yun. Diba, Capricorn? Say yes. Comment down below. Tingnan natin. What's with this Emperor as their next action? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, wala akong gagawin. So, kung makikitaan ka nito, nasabihin nating openness. Yeah, openness. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Ang nakuha ko dito, isa pa. Na block is message. Message. I don't know kung meron ditong literal na naka-block. Yeah. This is a strong connection, by the way. Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. They see you as their other half. Yeah. Kung hindi man, pwedeng ikaw, Capricorn, ang merong sabihin natin kakonek, kaya hindi nila pwedeng gawin yon. Magmamatigas na lang to, or sabihin natin, okay, bakala na. Okay. Gusto makita ng taong to na parang magpo-post ka ng mga sad quotes. Gusto niya yun. Oo, wag niyo ipapakita. Kung ikaw, post ka ng post, Capricorn, ng mga sad quotes, sad memes, whatsoever. May sad memes ba? Anyway. So, kung may nakikita siyang ganyan, gustong-gusto niya yun. Alam niya na napaka-weak mo pagdating sa kanya. Kahit hindi mo sinasabi. Yan ang gusto niya. Yan ang inaabangan niya. makarinig ng buhu shit sa'yo. Okay? Yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, let's see. Some of you may chance na same gender kayo nitong tao. Anyway, ang hirap naman nito. Ako'y nahihirapan. Oo. Doon sa energy na nakasasagap ko. This is waiting game. Both doors open sa isa't isa. Yan nga lang, may mga blockage. So, paano? So, kanya-kanya kayo. Hindi naman iisa ang issue natin. Lahat-lahat dito. No? So, kanya-kanya. So, tingnan natin. What's your outcome / advice for you? Capricorn / advice. Outcome. Kung anong meron. Strength. Oh my. Hold back kung kailangan. Yeah, hold back. The Four of Swords in reverse. Let them do the work. The Ace of Wands. Yeah, Capricorn, let them do the work. Alam mo ang nakukuha ko rito? Dahil may nakita akong wands, or I mean ace. Some of you may energy ng new person. New person. Pwedeng they like you, pero hindi lang nila alam kung paano mag-approach sa'yo. They're like, oh, I like you, Capricorn. Pero, how? Oo, how di Carabao. Parang ganyan. They want to talk. Let them do the work. Oo, let them. Wala kang kailangan gawin. Yan mo. Takot sila, na-approach ka, then, okay. Takot ka pala eh. Dapat ganun. Pero if they like you, if they really like you, yeah, gagawa ng way to, gagawa ng action to. Okay? This person likes you a lot. A lot. Okay? So, yeah, the magician. Some of them, they're just manifesting you. Manifesting something with you. Oo. So, tingnan natin. Kung ano man. Air sign. Aries through Pisces. I'm sorry. I'm confused. So, maybe the person is confused then, no? Aries through Pisces. Alam mo yun, parang nawiwindang siya. Parang nawawala, natuturete. Hindi ko alam parang tawag dyan, natatameme. Parang ganon. Anyway. Aries, pasensya na ha. Aries through Pisces. Nawawala yung boses ko. Oh my God. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aries, okay, thinking of you. They're stalking you. Some of them, they're stalking you. Yeah. Taurus, they like you. Yeah. They're getting their attention. Gemini, waiting for this opportunity to come in. Like, some of them, they want to take risk. They like you a lot. Cancer. Okay, so feeling nila you're not available for them, or maybe they are not available for you. There's this blockages. Somebody's saying no and no more. Feeling nila, maybe. Leo. They can't get over. Some of them, di pa sila naka-move on. Virgo. Okay, they're like holding back. Kung naman yung meron, some of them, they like you. They're isolating themselves. They like you though. I don't know kung bakit nila tinatago. They're like guarded. They're guarding themselves from you. Bakit? O, diba? Virgo, okay. Libra. They are stalking you. Wanting na magkaroon ng new beginning, maybe. Some of them. That is why. Tinitingnan ko anong meron na. So, Scorpio, hindi pa sila ready na magkaroon ng mga bago pagdating sa buhay nila. Hindi pa nagmo-move on actually. Sagittarius. Some of them, they're lying or maybe they're cheating. There's this something. Some of them, may nakuha ko revenge from a Sagittarius. I don't know why. Capricorn, they feel a strong connection with you. Felt a strong connection though. Even though andyan yung gap or sabihin nating distansya. Yeah, they still feel you. They're feeling you. O mga ganyang bagay. Aqua, they want to talk. Iba sa kanila, nagmamatigas lang. Pisces, giving you mixed signals. They're confused. A lot of conflict. Yeah. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating second channel na Love Letter, nasa description ang link. Thank you. Bye.